Hey everyone, I just want to do a quick demo of how to use PowerPoint for video annotation, right? You can see a screenshot there. You go to slideshow, record slideshow. You can say record from current slide or record from the beginning. And then as you keep going, so you're now seeing me in the corner bottom right. That's the video annotation. This is really important. So I'm going to go to the next slide. Wow, look at that, page one, really exciting material. Now I'm going to go to so I previously recorded all four slides together. I'm now going back in and recording page two just to show you how it looks like when I record one page. I took my sweater off just so you can see the difference. Last page, there we go. So this is how you do a video annotation. So after I've done this recording, I went through all those charts and then I went back in, and originally the last chart you just saw said last slide or last chart. I then, after I had recorded, I went in, I changed the words to say almost last chart. And now I've added this last page that says why this tool. This is the advantage of using PowerPoint video annotation. Unfortunately, it's only available on Windows, so maybe you can get a copy of, figure out how to make it work on Mac, or maybe they add the feature and I didn't know. But the key thing here is the ability to edit this is seamless. It is so much less work for you as a group than trying to get in and truly do video editing. You can see here that I recorded it. You can record it one slide at a time, or you can just record it as you go. The disadvantage to recording and just recording all the slides as I was doing it is you probably noticed on the transitions there, I hadn't fully stopped talking before I clicked on go to the next chart. And so that's why you heard me kind of cut off, or I'd started talking before it flipped over. So that when I went back in to edit that slide, it didn't kind of go seamlessly. You saw me like change my shirt kind of thing. But this is the amazing thing about it, and it just makes it so much easier. If anybody's ever tried to do video editing, it's a nightmare, right? And to try and make it flow. This way, each person can record whichever slides they want, put it on Dropbox. Just make sure you don't get file conflicts of two people working in the same time, or Google Drive, whatever you want. But I think like I really would encourage you to use this tool as you're getting into larger groups and longer time periods. When you did the 2 minute with two people, using Zoom was sufficient, but this is going to get a little more complicated. And you want the ability to be able to have your group review the material, give you feedback and say, hey, on chart two, I think you needed to crisp it up, maybe say it a little differently. Can you go back and record chart two? If you're trying to do that in Zoom, you've got to re-record the entire thing or get into some serious video editing. So anyhow, check it out. Hopefully this helps. So one thing to watch is that watch that you don't put text that is down in that bottom corner, because you can see as the image of me or you or whatever comes in, it covers up that bottom corner. So I put this in here just to show you, you got to be cautious of that. I'm actually going to take a pause now because I'm not going to stop and re-record. I'm just going to pause, click to the next chart, and then I'm going to keep going. So once you're done, there's a screenshot there of what you need to do. Go into File, Export as create a video. I say MP4, right? Do it HD quality, 720p. If you do it too large, you're going to have too large a file size. It makes it difficult to share, makes it difficult to even upload in Blackboard for grading. So use those settings that you see there. So anyhow, good luck. Hope this works out well for you.